Hi, Graham here at Magic Box, and this is a studio performance of Insertion. It uses a pack of cards, which you can see are all different. 52 cards, 52 choices. It is a regular deck. You can use any deck that you like. I'm going to riffle through the cards. Anna behind the camera, she's just going to call out stop. Wherever she likes, just call out stop, Anna. Here, have a look at the card, remember what it is. Perfect. Now here's what happens. I just snap the fingers. Believe it or not, one card without any sleight of hand, without any palm, and one card now disappears from the pack. Look, I'm going to go through the cards one at a time as quickly as I can, but I'm hoping that there is now one card missing from the pack. Look, one card's not here. There's now only 51 cards, and you could actually count these and there would actually only be 51 cards. But you might notice behind me, because the card doesn't disappear, it transports. And just behind me, you'll see that there's a question mark just on the window. If I remove the question mark, you'll see behind there is actually a playing card. You can see the playing card is in fact taped to the window here, right? It's taped to the window. But here is the really cool bit. If I take the card and take the tape, watch closely, don't look away. All I do is I rub that card, I rub it like this, and what that does, it makes the card go through the window right onto the other side of the window, just like that. Now the spectator can now reach over, remove the card from the window, retrieve it, they can keep that as a souvenir, and that is Insertion.